All right, our objective is to review for our quiz tomorrow. So quiz tomorrow is on lesson 7.1 to 7.6. We are not playing a review game today. Instead, I have a pretty neat game that we're going to play at the end of the chapter. So we'll get to that maybe the end of next week or the week after that. So today's going to be our review day, which let me see how you did on the homework first, and then I'll let you know what we're going to do for that. Okay? Quiz tomorrow, lesson 7.1 to 7.6. This is actually one of those quizzes that could be called a quest because it's worth between 35 and 40 points. It's on 6 lessons, but I couldn't go the whole chapter without quizzing you because it's a lot of information. So quiz tomorrow, it'll just take the class period. Friday, we're going to talk about interest problems, okay? All right, let's start with our warm-up, and then oops, I guess I put the warm-up back here, sorry. Start with the warm-up, and then we'll go back to the homework, and let me shut one of these lights off. Okay, so the warm-up, I don't know if you realized or not, but I did pull some of these problems from a harder version of the worksheet you did last night for homework. So if you did the warm-up well, like if you got most of them right, you understand yesterday's lesson very well. So keep that in mind as we go over this, okay? Starting with number 1, just what is the general formula that we used from yesterday? Briar? Yeah, but you need to tell me a little more specific. You're right. Yes, but we use different words. Yesterday, the day before, but you're right, that's the general proportion. Alyssa, what words? Good. Good. New amount over original equals P over 100. Same exact thing Briar said, but I want those words in there. When you're talking about retail and wholesale, it's really important that this is new amount, this is original, this is percent, this is 100. Okay? Now, what happens to the percent if I tell you we are marking up the cost of math class? If it's a percent, if I'm marking it up, what do you do with this P? If I'm telling you, all right, to take this math class, I'm marking it up 30%, which happens at college, not here. Matt, what happens? Good, you would do 100 plus whatever the markup is, okay? What if I said, all right, your pre-algebra book is on sale on Amazon. It's 40% off. What do you do to this? Charles? Perfect. So you would subtract. If it's a discount, always subtract. Wholesale represents what on this formula? What does wholesale represent, Doug? Good. Wholesale is the original. The retail is going to be the new amount. Now, what if we're talking about retail and sale price? Which one's the original? It's retail and sale price. Justin? Say that again? Good. The retail, because the new amount's going to be your sale price. Okay, whatever you get after your coupon or after the store sale, depending on what the issue is. Okay, so let's go through the answers for 1 through 5 or 2 through 5, and if you need me to show you the proportion, I will. Okay, Zach, let's start with you for number 2. Good. Annalise, number 3. Awesome. Sean, number 4. You're given the retail and the markup. You need to find the new price. Oh, wait. Did I mess up on that?
You need to find the wholesale, right? Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. Yes. Sorry. I read the wrong direction. Sorry. I read the wrong directions. No wonder I was confused. Sorry. Find the original. I read the wrong direction, Sean. You should have found the original on that one. My fault. I looked at the wrong. Yeah. So anyways, you need to find the wholesale, which is B, okay, which is your original amount. I just want to make sure I explained that to you. So, Charles, what did you get? Yeah. Sean, are you okay? Yeah. All right, Emma H, number 5. Good, 300. Okay, before I go to the next part, questions on that section, Matt? Number 2? Okay. Number 2, so you have original, you're given sales tax. You need to find the new amount. So it should be A over $40.80 equals 105.5 over 100. You have all that? Use cross products, you get 100A equals 4,304.4. Then you multiplied wrong. You just multiplied wrong. Use your calculator if you need to. Justin? Excuse me. Number 5, the proportion should be 210 over B equals 70 over 100. Because you're given the sale price, you're given a discount, you want to find the retail, which is the original. Okay, you with me on that? Okay, Doug? 47.25 over B equals 225 over 100. Okay, anyone else up to 5? Okay, number 6, Adam. Good, $21.58. I left my work up here for these ones. Okay. All right, number 7, Mary. Tell me what you got first for the coupon discount. Tell me what you got. Yeah, you can't do it that way. I didn't think so. I just wanted to make sure. So you first need to do the coupon discount, okay, which is you get 25% off of that $28. After you find that amount, which is 21, you have to use that and add the sales tax onto it, which is 6%. So there's actually 2 steps to this one. All right, so let's go to Matt. What did you get? Yeah, so I think I have all my work up here. So I have in green the first part, and then in black here is the second part. Justin? Okay, hold on one second. Mary, are you okay? Okay. The answer is right here, $22.26. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So step 1, okay? You're going to an amusement park, okay? It's cost $28. You have a Oh, okay. All right. Everyone else? Okay, number 8. There's like a series of steps here. So starting with the first one, what is the wholesale price in 8A? Annalise, wholesale price. Good, 200 price. Step 2. Hold on, I'll get to it. Step 2, what is the sale price? Step 2, Briar, what's the sale price? Well, that's the answer. I need the sale price, like the first sale price. With 20% off, did you find that one? Okay. Next time, make sure you find that one too. Sean? Good, 280, and then Briar told us the third one. So I have all this up here, okay? Now, step 1, finding the wholesale price, you didn't need this for the problem, but it's good practice because I could ask you tomorrow, in a problem like this, I might have 3 steps. First step might be find the wholesale price. Second step might be find the price if it's 20% off, and then etc. Third step could be this. So here's how you get 200. Here's how you get $280. And then finally, the final answer is you get $196, which is they asked you what is the final price of the item. So technically, you only had to do these 2 steps to get to this, okay? But it's good practice. Okay, Matt, we'll start with you. Correct, but we're not there yet. You're exactly right. But for this, like for this problem, part A, you're right. You only need 2 and 3. When we get to C in a second here, yeah, you need to know what that is. I mean B, to determine if the store is making a profit or not. So yes, thank you. We're going to get to that one. Annalise? Okay, do you see this one up here? You have it flipped. Because this is the retail, you have to find the new amount. So the retail is the original because you're finding the sale price. Sale price is new amount. Okay, and that goes for any problem where they give you a retail price and they tell you that it's discounted. So to find the new amount, that's going to be your numerator. Yeah. Mary? No, you're going to be off. No, don't do that. You're going to be off. You want it to be exact when we're dealing with money here. Well, on this one, I would say, yeah. Yeah, on this problem, I mean, I would say because it says, okay, a month later, it puts it on sale for 20% off. So that's one period of time, Mary. And then 2 weeks later, it marks it off again. So if there's different time periods here, don't combine them. Okay, that's one way to know. Yesterday when we were doing tax and tip, that's all at one time, and we know it's all on the original. Okay, the sale price is when you discount, you're going to keep discounting from the previous sale price, not the original. Does that make sense? Doug, is that a question? Go ahead. For what? For A? Okay, I just talked through that whole thing. This one? Okay, I just explained all that. Are you listening? Okay, you don't need the 200 for this, okay? The 200 is for part B. You don't need the 200 for this. All you need are these two steps to get 196. Are you confused on how to set up the proportions? Okay, I literally just explained this. Okay. All right, if you think of something more specific, ask. Okay, part B asks you, is the store making a profit on the item? Tell me why they're not. Why are they not making a profit? Justin, nice and loud. Yep. Well, careful, what's the wholesale price? You want to find, like the wholesale price, I actually have up there. See the $200? $200 is your wholesale price. The retail was $350, and it told you the first sentence, Justin, that the wholesale price of the item is marked, or they mark it up 75% to get a retail price of $350. So you actually have to use this to answer that. But now who can explain, Alyssa? Yeah, the second sale price up there that we calculated is lower than the wholesale price. That's pretty stupid, right? Because they're losing money. I mean, you should, if you're selling something, if you're buying something for wholesale, you at least need to sell it a little bit more than wholesale, or there's no point in you having a business and selling things whatsoever. Justin, do you understand where this comes from? You sure? Okay. You were close. You just had some of the wrong numbers. You had what? Okay. Emma H? Well, yes, but think about if they sell a lot of whatever that item is. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, $4 is nothing, but multiply that by 1,000 if they sell 1,000 of whatever this is. Now, Emma H, for a huge company, maybe that still is not a lot of money for them to be losing. And maybe you're thinking it's better to sell it for something than nothing. That could be what you're thinking. And I completely agree with you, but we're being tough on this store. We want them to at least make something, but hey, it happens, right? What'd you say? It's sold for what? Oh, yes. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Correct, I agree. Annalise? That's retail. That's retail. That's what the store price was. The store bought it. The wholesale price at the store bought it was $200. Yeah, but that's not the issue. They discounted it 2 times, down to $196. Well, that's not what we're talking about. That would be fine. But that's not the issue. They're not selling it at this anymore. They're selling it at this. That's the whole point of this, is they're not selling it at retail anymore. They've discounted it so much that it's less than wholesale. Mary?
Well, if they sold it a lot at the retail price,
Yep.
maybe they just made too much money if they decided to.
And I agree. I think that's where Emma H. was trying to get to. We don't know what company this is and what the circumstances were, but I agree. Might not matter. We're just answering the question. All right, any other questions on the warm-up? All right, let's go over homework quickly, okay? And then I'll explain the review that we're going to work on. Alini, did you finish? Okay. Maddie, if you want to finish, I'll write you a pass to first period. Okay. Don't take the whole time, though. All right, so 7.6. Okay, we're going to quickly go around the room, go over this. All right, Annalise, can you tell us your answer for number 1? Yeah, $11.25. Sean, number 2. You said 100, right? Okay, perfect. Briar, number 3. Good job. Zach, number 4. Good, $26.40. Emma M, number 5. Good job. Adam, number 6. Perfect. Number 7, Mary. Nope, because you have to do it in 2 steps. That's probably why. Charles, number 7. No. Matt? Alyssa? No. Donatus? Yay. Okay, $30.60. I'll go over that in a little bit. Donatus to the rescue. Okay, number 8, Alyssa. Oh, thank you, Matt. I was trying in my head to. Thank you. Oh, what did you have for 7? Okay. Okay, number 8 is 16. Hold on, Annalise, it's coming. Okay, 8 is $16.96. Okay, so you had it, Alyssa. 9, $29.26. 10, $52.43. I just wanted to clear that up. The answers are all up here in case you didn't hear someone. Number 11, Doug. Good. Justin, number 12. Perfect. Matt, 13. Great job. 14. Zach, we'll go back to you. 14? Say that again. How can it be $20 if the food bill is $80? Are you looking at the right one? You're adding on the sales tax and the tip. You're looking at 14, right? Okay. All right. Briar, what'd you have for 14? Good. Number 13, or sorry, 15, Sean. Good job. Annalise, 16. No, should be less than that. Emma M? Good, $66.30. Charles, 17. Perfect. Mary, 18. Great job. 19, Adam. Good. Donatus, 20. No, that's right. It's just $59 though. You okay? Alyssa, 21. Good job. All right, so there's all of our answers. What proportions do you need? What do you guys need help with? Emma, I'll start with you. Okay, so listen carefully. If you guys need number 2, I'm going to explain it once. Okay, listen carefully. So I'm not repeating myself 5 times. Number 2, the proportion should be A over 92 equals 145 over 100. Okay, so little mistake. Is that the only one, Emma? Okay, fix, did you fix number 2? Okay. Number 7, there's 2 steps. Okay, first step is A over 45 equals 85 over 100. So that was the 15% off of $45. You get $38.25. So number 7, that's the first step. That's why. Second step is, let me read it again, 20% off of that amount. So 2 steps. On that one, you get $30.60. Okay. Do you understand the whole 2 steps? Annalise and Sean, I'll go back to the answers in a second if that's what you guys need. Emma, you okay? Okay. Matt. 20, you said? Okay, 20 should be your proportion, $32.45 over B equals 55 over 100. You're given the sale price and you're given the discount percent, but they're asking you find the original. If you guys remember, new amount over original equals P over 100, that'll be really helpful. Okay. Yeah, and that's a little, just don't do that on the quiz tomorrow so you can get your A. Sean? Yep. Alyssa? 16. Okay, so are you okay if I talk through it? Okay, so people are still using that. 2 steps for 16. First step is using the $75, okay? It was 15% off, so you want to see what the new price is. Proportion 1 should be A over 75 equals 85 over 100. So you get that the sale price is $63.75. But then there's tax. So the tax is 4%. So step 2 should be A over $63.75 equals 104 over 100. And that's how you get $66.30. Sure? Okay, Annalise? Okay, I just went over that. Okay. Okay, so 16, here's the first proportion. You should have A over 75 equals 85 over 100. This gives you the sale price without tax. So step 1 is finding the sale price without tax. Step 2 is using your sale price, which is now becomes the original. You need to find the new amount with tax. And that's how you get $66.30. So 2 steps, you have to find the sale price, then add on the tax. Yeah, that's what some of you guys did on the warm-up. We did not do any just like this in class yesterday. I wanted to see how you guys did, like with figuring out the whole 2-step thing. So if you have to find discount, find the discount price, and then if there's a tax, put that on after. Okay? Yep. There, 1 and then 2. You okay, Annalise? I'll leave it up there. Okay, Briar? Yep. Don't do that because the tax is not on the original. The tax is on the sale price. You're going to get taxed more if you do it on the original. There's no way you got $66.30. Check that again. Because you're going to be paying more tax if you tax it on the larger amount. Are you missed there, Briar? Tell me what you did. You did 75%. You did 75 times 1.04. Okay, and then what'd you do? You then took the 15% off. Okay, you are right. That's not always going to be the case, but you are right on that one. Is that why you were confused? Because you kept getting, okay. All right, Annalise. Okay, Mary. I don't want to tell you that. No, that gets you off a little bit. You get 66.75. It's close, but okay. And real quick, back to your other thing. I would just do it separately to be safe, because Briar's was a coincidence there. That was interesting. I mean, do it in 2 steps. That's how they do it at the store. They'll give you the discount, then they'll give you the total with the tax. I'd like it to be more applicable. Okay. So 13, you should have A over 68 equals 123 over 100. Okay. Cross products, you get 100A equals 8,364. Divide by 100, you get $83.64. Yeah, that happens. Okay, Emma, last question.
There's 17.
That's okay. I would not mark that wrong. Nope. It's probably how you rounded. I'm fine. I'm going to hold off on you, okay? Hold on a second, okay, because we got to get moving on the review. Doug, is this real quick? Go ahead. Okay, 18. 99 over B equals 180 over 100. And then 19 is $67.60 over B equals $250 over 100. Sure. All right. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs down. Okay, here's what I want you to do first before we go to the review. Okay, I need you guys to open up your notes to page 20. Okay, you need to do 2 problems, and then you're gonna get checked by me, and then move on to something else. So go to page 20 in your notes. Yep, page 20 in your notes. Good job, Emma. You're gonna do the 2 bullets at the bottom. So page 20 in your notes. Do the 2 bullets at the bottom. So circle those 2 bullets at the bottom. Doug, we did one of them yesterday. Okay, circle the 2 bullets at the bottom that we didn't do. Flip over to page 21. Do the bullet that we didn't do. So on page 21, circle the 2nd bullet. Okay, the bottom bullet, yep. You have 3 problems to do. When you are done with all 3, either put your hand up or come see me. You need to have them checked by me. And I'm going to shorten the review a little bit, so let me look at that. When you're done and it's checked, open your book and follow what will be on the smart board in about a minute. I need to fix it. Okay? So 3 bullets. Do those, and then go to the review. Jeremy, hold on one second, okay? Yeah, round it like money. You done with all of them? Just to make sure I gave you guys the right ones. Okay, I fixed the homework, so the numbers for the second page are up here whenever you get to it. And once everyone's done, I'll explain it. We have about 10 minutes. Okay. Set your back bullet first. 8683. Perfect. You can move on to the other homework. Okay. Good job. Raise your hand when you're done so I can come around and check. Okay. Flip over. Is that the answer? No, that needs fixed. Okay, flip over for me. Awesome. Go ahead, do the review homework. Okay, flip over for me. Nope, that way. No, that one needs fixed. Jeremy, do you need help on this? Correct. 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 You need to watch that video from the other day. Keep doing this. I'll give you my answer key. Are you done with it all? Okay. Who else had their hand up? Did you have your hand up? It wasn't up when I walked by. Not you, Adam. That needs fixed. That's right. That's right. Go back and do the other one. Is that 387? You need to, I can't read your writing. I don't know if that's it or not. I didn't look at all that. I just, 180 over x equals, yeah, that should be 215. Okay, flip over for me. Good, move on to your, oh wait, is that an 87?
It's an 81. It's a 0-1.
That's not right. Do that one again. Good, flip over for me. Good, move on to your review. Flip over for me. Heck, you guys are all doing the same thing wrong. That needs fixed. Yes, Annalise? Yep. I'm going to explain all that in a second, Annalise. That one's off a little. Scroll over, please. Or flip over, I should say. That one's off a little bit, too. There you go. Okay. You can start on the review. Sorry. There's no paper back there, Emma. I ordered some. Try that one again. Okay. Making sure. 86, 83. Perfect. Much better. When all three are checked, you can move on to the review. Once everyone's done, I will explain the review. Much better. You okay? Okay. You can flip for me. Awesome. Move on to the review. Okay, flip over for me. Charles, you okay? All right, so where's your new answer?
It's there.
Okay, write that down, please. Okay, you okay? All right, so Briar and Zach, I'll come back. Oh, let me wait. That's good. You got it. That was right. Yeah, you should. It's people. That's good. Let me see there. Okay, fix that. This should be 111. That's why you're getting mixed up. It's an increase, not a decrease. Okay, so that should be 111. So go ahead and fix that, and then I'll check your answer. Sean, do you have your book? You can start your homework. You all right? What happened? Okay. Okay. I could tell you weren't okay. Take your book out. Borrow some from someone. Okay? Hey, Adam. No, hey, babe. Good, much better. You okay? Okay, hold on. He needs to finish this. Are there some in there? Go check. There's a tissue box right over there. They're out? Okay, that's what I asked. Are they out? Okay.
Oh, I thought you meant.
No, I said, are they gone? You said, I don't know. If you don't mind, just throw that box away for me. And then here's the start of these. Okay, Briar. You sure? There you go. Tell me when you're done. Just tell me when you're done. All right, guys, listen up. Okay, so the homework. We have about 6 minutes still, which I wanted to have more, but that's okay. 372, okay? 1 to 28, okay, are the problems that I want you to do. All the answers will be on Blackboard, okay, in about 15 minutes under the Chapter 7 tab. Anything that's up here is fair game for the quiz tomorrow. So it's very important that you go through all of those problems. No, still not right. And make sure that you know how to set them all up. Very, very important. Anything in the notes that we've done, okay, the answers will be on Blackboard. Okay, if you don't check, your quiz grade's probably not going to be good tomorrow. On page 373, please make sure you pay attention to the numbers in the red box. Okay, those are the only ones that I need you to do. I just chose more so the application problems. Some of these will have more than one step, and this is what some of you guys struggled with when I went over today's warm-up and homework from last night. Alyssa? 8 and 9. Thank you, Alyssa. My fault for not using commas. So I'm going to stop the recording. I will be around in case you need help. Annalise? Yep. And yep. Okay, who can tell us to go from a decimal, fill that out please, to go from a decimal to a percent? How do we do that? Mary? Good. Move the decimal to the right 2 places. Or move the decimal point to the left 2 places. Okay? All right, I'm going to stop the recording. I'll be around in case you guys need help.